welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be doing a review on the Sephora Favorites Holiday Lip Kit. If you do want to see a review and a demo, then please keep watching. As a huge favor, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up and comment anything down below. I greatly appreciate it. I read all the comments and I'll do my best to reply back. This set retails for $45. It includes 7 different lip products. I do want to read a little bit about this lip set on Sephora's website. A set of lipsticks and lip balms in perfect holiday shades with a full-size Charlotte Tilbury lipstick and Rare Beauty by Selena Gomez lip balm, plus minis from Pat McGrath Labs, Give by Gwen Stefani, and more. Here's a closer look on what the set looks like. It says Sephora Favorites Holiday Lip Kit. Then you have a picture of all of the lip products included. On the corner it states it's $45, but it's a $125 value. I'm not sure who comes up with the value of these sets, but I'm pretty sure it's not $125 value. Side of the packaging, there's nothing printed. It's just the continuation of the design, which I really do like. Same thing on this side, there's nothing printed. Up at the top it says Sephora Favorites. Same thing down at the bottom, it says Sephora Favorites. On the back you have a little description and then you have the ingredients of each lipstick. Let's open this up. Here's what the inside looks like. You get 2 full-size products and 5 mini deluxe size products. Let's start off with the Pat McGrath product. Here we have a mini Pat McGrath lipstick. This shade is called Vendetta. You get 0.042 ounces or 1.2 grams of product. It does state it was made in Italy and it has an 18-month shelf life. Here's how much product comes in the tube. Vendetta is described as a dark red. I love Pat McGrath's formula. It's so comfortable on the lips. Here's what the shade in Vendetta looks like from Pat McGrath. This shade is perfect for holiday. Let's see what the next shade looks like. Here we have another mini lipstick. This is from Give Beauty. This is Gwen Stefani's brand. This is called Anaheim Shine Satin Lipstick. This shade is called Original Recipe. At 0.03 ounces or 1 milliliter of product, and this was made in the USA. Here's how much product comes inside of the lipstick tube. Original Recipe is described as a true red. Again, this is a satin finish versus the first shade. This was a matte finish. As you can see the difference, this one has a bit of a shine to it, where this one is a flat matte. Here's what the shade in Original Recipe looks like from Gwen Stefani. This formula is not full coverage. It does have a bit of an almond scent. It smells good. I don't like her satin lipsticks. I prefer her matte formula. Let's see what the next color looks like. Here we have another mini size product. This is called their Vice Lipsticks. This is from Urban Decay. This shade is called Back Talk. This is a matte shade. It doesn't say how much product comes in the tube. It just says the shade name and it's matte. Here's how much product comes inside of the tube. Back Talk is described as a mauve nude pink. I've never tried their Vice lipsticks before. Hopefully this is a good formula. The shade is really pretty. Here's what the shade in Back Talk from Urban Decay looks like. This shade is really pretty. Next up we have the Too Faced Lip Injection Extreme Lip Plumper. I don't like lip plumpers, but we'll try this on anyways. As most of you know, I don't like lip products that have a tingling, plumping sensation on my lips. I'm a huge baby. I just don't like that feeling. I automatically remove it. Hopefully this doesn't hurt as much. Here's a closer look on what the packaging looks like. It says Too Faced Lip Injection Extreme. There's no shade name printed down at the bottom. On the other side, you get 1.5 milliliters or 0.05 ounces. Underneath that, it states it was made in the USA and it has a 12-month shelf life. Here's what the applicator looks like. It is double-sided. There is a subtle scent. It smells like a Jolly Rancher. It smells very good. Here's what the clear lip gloss shade looks like. It's clear, so you can't even see it. Let's try it on. Here's what the Too Faced Lip Injection Extreme looks like. I can already feel the tingling sensation. I'm gonna remove this. It's too much for me. The tingling sensation was too strong for me. I had to remove it from my lips. Even on the back of my hand, it's starting to tingle a bit. I'm gonna remove it. If you like that tingling sensation on your lips, you might like this product. After I removed it using a makeup wipe, it did leave a bit of a burn on the back of my hand, but it will go down. Next up, we have a lip gloss shade from Nars. We have another mini size product. This is from Nars. On the cap, it says Nars all around. On the bottom, you have the shade name printed. This is called the Nars Afterglow Lip Shine Gloss in Orgasm. You get 0.11 ounces or 3.7 milliliters of product. This has a 24-month shelf life. Here's what the applicator looks like. It is double-sided. Orgasm is described as a peachy pink with gold shimmer. That's pretty. Here's what the Nars Afterglow Lip Shine Gloss looks like. This shade is stunning. It doesn't feel sticky on my lips. I'm gonna press my lips together. Yep, no stickiness, and there's no grittiness from the shimmer. Now let's move on to our first full-size product. This is by Charlotte Tilbury. This is a full-size Charlotte Tilbury Matte Revolution lipstick in the shade Pillow Talk. This has an 18-month shelf life and it was made in Italy. It doesn't state how much product comes inside of the tube. I did find it online. There's 0.12 ounces or 3.5 milliliters of product. On the cap, you have the Charlotte Tilbury logo, and then here's what the lipstick tube looks like. Here's how much product comes inside of the tube. Pillow Talk is described as a nude pink. Here's what the shade in Pillow Talk by Charlotte Tilbury looks like. I never understood the hype behind Charlotte Tilbury lipsticks. It just seems basic in my opinion. It does have a slight vanilla scent. It's not full coverage. You can see a little bit of my natural lip peeking through. Even after I applied multiple layers, I have no idea why these lipsticks are so popular. This shade in Pillow Talk is cute. The last full-size product in this set is from Rare Beauty. This is a full-size lip balm. In the center, it says Rare Beauty. Up at the top, you have the Rare Beauty logo. This shade is called Nearly Neutral. You get 0.12 fluid ounces or 3.8 milliliters, and this was made in Canada. Here's what the doe foot applicator looks like. Nearly Neutral is described as a soft, neutral pink. That's gorgeous. Here's what the shade in Nearly Neutral by Rare Beauty looks like. This shade is really pretty. It does have a sheer tint to it. Here's what all 7 lip products look like swatched on the back of my hand. My final thoughts on this lip set is that I really did enjoy it. The only thing that I did not like was the Too Faced Lip Injection Extreme. I did not like that tingling sensation, and again, it did leave that burn on my arm, which it will go away eventually. I just have to put some ice on it. If you were to purchase these 2 products alone, the Rare Beauty lip gloss would retail for $18 and the Charlotte Tilbury lipstick would be $34. That equals $52. This set retails for $45, plus you get these 5 mini lip products. I think that's a great value. Let me know in the comments down below if you plan on purchasing this set for yourself or for a loved one. And if you guys did enjoy this video, please go ahead and give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't already, please do subscribe. I will see you guys in my next video.